We all know about the classic glow up, the kind we see in movies and magazines. New hair, new clothes, maybe a whole new wardrobe. It's all about external changes, a transformation on the surface. But the most important glow up, the one that truly matters, happens inside. It's a deeper, more meaningful shift. It's about feeling good in your own skin, not just your reflection. It's about cultivating an inner peace and confidence that radiates outwards. This internal glow-up is self-love, the foundation for a happy and fulfilling life. It's accepting yourself, quirks and all, flaws and imperfections included. It's about recognizing your inherent worth. It's treating yourself like you treat your best friend, with kindness, compassion, and unwavering support. Cheering yourself on, celebrating small wins, forgiving mistakes, and being kind, especially on tough days when you need it most. When you love yourself, life just works better. Things seem to fall into place more easily. You're anchored, confident, and ready for anything life throws your way. You face challenges with resilience and grace. The world is noisy, full of distractions and pressures, but self-love is your anchor, keeping you grounded and centered. It's not about perfection, striving for an unattainable ideal. It's about being real, gentle, and patient with yourself, allowing yourself to grow and evolve at your own pace. Start small, with simple acts of self-care and self-compassion. Every day, choose to be a little kinder to yourself, offering yourself the same grace and understanding you would offer a loved one. This is the glow-up that lasts, the one that truly transforms you from the inside out. A light no one can dim, a radiance that shines from within, illuminating your path and inspiring others. Begin the journey of self-discovery and self-love. You're worth the effort, the time, and the investment in your own well-being. Water your own garden, nurture your inner self, and watch yourself bloom into the beautiful, confident person you were always meant to be. Shine from the inside out, and let your inner light illuminate the world. Let's talk about what blocks that inner glow, those unseen barriers that dim your spirit. It's often the insidious trap of negativity cycles. These cycles can feel inescapable. It starts with just one seemingly insignificant bad thought, a tiny seed of doubt planted in your mind. Then suddenly, before you even realize it, you're stuck in a loop, endlessly repeating, "I'm not good enough," or "I can't do this." It's a mental quicksand. Our brains are naturally wired to notice the negative. It's a survival mechanism from our past. But just because we're wired this way doesn't mean we have to stay trapped there. We have the capacity to change our thinking. The more we repeat these negative thoughts, the more ingrained they become in our neural pathways. The deeper the rut gets, the harder it becomes to climb out. It becomes a well-worn path in our minds. It's incredibly draining both mentally and emotionally. And ultimately, it keeps your inner light from shining brightly, obscuring your potential and joy. So what's the first step to breaking free? It's to notice when you're on that mental merry-go-round, going around and around in circles. And when you do, don't blame yourself. Remember, everyone without exception has negative thoughts from time to time. It's a universal human experience. The goal isn't to magically erase them completely. That's unrealistic. The key is to see them for what they truly are. They're just thoughts, not necessarily facts or reflections of reality. You have the power to step off the ride, to dismount from the carousel of negativity, and choose a different path. How do you catch negative thoughts? Start by noticing your feelings. If you suddenly feel down, ask yourself, what was I just thinking? Watch for all or nothing thinking. Words like always or never are red flags. Beware the mind reading trap, assuming others think badly of you. Most of the time, people are just lost in their own thoughts. Don't disqualify the positive either. If something good happens, let yourself enjoy it. Accept compliments. Celebrate small wins. Your feelings are clues. Follow them to spot those sneaky thoughts. You deserve to feel good about your accomplishments. Once you spot negative thoughts, Flip the script. Don't fake positivity. Just be kinder and more balanced with yourself. Challenge harsh thoughts. Is it really true? Or just one tough moment? Try a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. It trains your brain to notice the good. Use positive affirmations, even if they feel silly at first. Repeat them until your brain starts to believe. When you slip up, show yourself compassion. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Treat yourself like a friend on tough days. Self-compassion keeps your inner glow strong. At the heart of it all, at the very core of your being, is believing you're inherently worthy of love, worthy of success, and worthy of happiness. It's the foundation upon which you build your dreams. Don't wait for others to validate you or tell you who you are. Their opinions are just that, opinions. Believe in yourself first. Trust your instincts, your intuition, and your inner voice. It knows the way. Remember learning something new, something challenging? You kept going, even when it was hard, because deep down you believed you could master it. Be your own biggest cheerleader, celebrate your small wins, and acknowledge your progress. Even when you stumble, and you will, be kind to yourself. Your journey is unique. Your pace is your own. Don't compare your behind the scenes, the messy parts, to someone else's carefully curated highlight reel. Trust your path and your progress, even when you can't see the destination. You are the author of your story, the master of your destiny. See the person who's overcome challenges, who's faced adversity head on. See the person who's been kind, who's offered a helping hand to others. See the person who keeps going, who never gives up on themselves. Let your light shine brighter every day, illuminating the world with your unique gifts. You don't need to change to be loved or accepted. Just be yourself, authentically and unapologetically, and be kind to you always. If this video moved you, leave a like and share it with a friend. And remember to subscribe to The Moving Window for more uplifting content.